Ready to capture your adventures in 2024 with the best cameras out there? Today, I'm breaking down the top 10 travel cameras you need to know about. Let's dive in. First up, the Fujifilm X-S20. This gem is a favorite among travel photographers for a reason. With its 6.1 MP APS-C sensor, your photos and videos will pop with vibrant colors and sharp details. Plus, its in-body image stabilization means you can get great shots even in low light. And the advanced autofocus system, perfect for tracking those moving subjects on the go. Next, we have the Sony A7C II. If you're serious about your travel photography, this compact full-frame mirrorless camera is a must. Its 33 MP sensor delivers exceptional dynamic range and low-light performance. Think stunning cityscapes and breathtaking landscapes, all in one. Now let's talk about the Canon EOS R10. Lightweight and versatile, this camera is built for travelers who crave flexibility. With a 4.2 MP APS-C sensor, 4K video capability, and fast autofocus system, you're all set to capture everything from street photography to action-packed adventures. For those who love rugged adventures, the OM System OM5 is your best friend. This camera is not only portable but also built to withstand the elements. It features a micro Four Thirds sensor, weather-sealed body, and in-body stabilization. It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Coming in at number 5, the Sony RX107. Don't let its pocket-sized design fool you. This premium compact camera boasts a 1-inch sensor and 24 to 200 mm zoom lens. It's ideal for travelers needing versatility without compromising on image quality. Adventure travelers, you'll love the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Known for its rugged, waterproof build and excellent stabilization, this action camera is perfect for capturing dynamic footage. Whether you're snorkeling, hiking, or skiing, the Hero 12 Black has got you covered. Next up, the luxurious Leica Q3. Combining performance and style, this camera features a 60 MP full-frame sensor and a fixed 28 mm f1.7 lens. With stunning image quality and intuitive controls, it's a dream camera for discerning photographers. If you're looking for something stylish and compact, check out the Fujifilm X106. With a large APS-C sensor and a fixed 23 mm f2 lens, this camera is perfect for street scenes, landscapes, and portraits. It captures incredible sharpness every time. For those who explore rugged terrains, the OM System Tough TG7 is a robust option. It's waterproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof, making it perfect for capturing stunning underwater or extreme condition shots. And last but not least, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Tailored for vloggers and content creators, this camera features a vari-angle touchscreen, a high-quality built-in microphone, and a 1-inch sensor for crisp travel videos. There you have it, the top 10 travel cameras you need in 2024. Whether you're capturing cityscapes, landscapes, or action-packed adventures, there's a perfect camera on this list for you. There is a link in the description for each of these camera choices, so be sure to check it out to find the one you love. Happy travels and happy shooting! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips and gear guides. See you next time.